How to create a Brawl Stars account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create your account in the latest version of Brawl Stars. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, download Brawl Stars from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is completed, launch the game and you will be greeted with the iconic Supercell splash screen. And now to create your account, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the home screen to access settings. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From there, you simply need to tap on Supercell ID button and you will see the options to create account. Tap that to get started. Now, enter your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure to use an email you can access easily as you will need it for the verification. And once you have filled in the details, tap on sign in. Now check your inbox for the verification email from Supercell. Open the email and enter the code into the game. And these steps ensure your account is secure and linked to your email. After that, tap on submit. And once your account is verified, you can customize your player name and choose an avatar. This is how other players will see you in the game. So pick something awesome. And once you are done with that, simply tap on continue. And there you have it. Now you are ready to dominate the arenas with a brand new Brawl Stars account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.